Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be your designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build filter images project in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now in this project, we will learn that how to build tip calculator in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you're enjoying more previous project of JavaScript. So let's start. Now over here you can see I have just made it this tip calculator. Okay, so this is really simple tip calculator. I have just not used any of the styling over here. Okay, and it is also not responsive. Okay, over here because calculator should be not responsive. Okay, if you know. And over here there is now in the tip calculator it is asking like how much was your bill. Okay, so I will just tell it. Okay, so here you can see there are coming two arrows. Okay, so when you will just press this arrow here, you can see now our value is coming 0.02. Okay, just press that again. Okay, so if you just press it. Okay, so over here you can see my value is changed it again and again. Okay, here you can see now if you just press this down one, then your value is going less than. Okay, over here you can see. Okay, so with the help of these arrow you can just you have to just write your value over here. Okay, means your dollar, your rupees or dollar over here. Okay, and over here in this section you have to write like how many people you are sharing the bill. Okay, here it is written how many people sharing the bill. Okay, means how many people are sharing in your this money. Okay, in this money how many people are sharing this money. So you can just write like if I write five people. Okay, and here you have to just choose the percentage. Okay, so here there is written bad 2%, then over here good 10%, then great 20%. So I will just choose this 10%, and if you just calculate, so now over here you can see now it is just having the tip amount and then total amount and then each person who is. Okay, means how many are getting each person will be getting 0.56, and over here you can see it has just automatically gone over here. Okay, so it is with JavaScript. Okay, so I will just show you how to do. So first of all you have to just minimize that. Okay, over here you have to just minimize, and just you have to go to your text editor. Over here you can see we have just working with our bracket text editor. So over here I have just opened that over here, and over here I will just first of all write starting code of HTML like you all know, and I will just write this sign for writing that, and over here I will press tab over here. So my all starting code has been appear. Okay, here you can see that. Now I have to link my style sheet and link my JavaScript sheet which is called script.js. Okay, so here you can see my just I have just three files: script.html, script.css, and script.js. Okay, so I will just work with these three files. So first of all you have to link that, so we will write link tag. So now if you just press tab over here, you can see I have just getting my all link tag. Okay, so I have just getting link tag, and now I have to just only link my style sheet, mean I have to just only write my style sheet name over here which is called script.css. Okay, so I will just write the name over here script.css. Okay, so I've just written the name here, you can see script.css, and I will just save from here. Okay, so here you have to do one thing, you have to just press enter, and here you have to just link your JavaScript sheet like I have telling you. You have to write script tag, then you have to link your JavaScript sheet. So I will write script tag and I will press tab, and now in this script tag you have to define src, like src means source. So I will define the source where I have to link, and over here in the source you have to write your JavaScript sheet name over here. Okay, so I will write script.js, my JavaScript sheet name. Okay, and now when you have done that, you have written script and script.js your JavaScript sheet name. Okay, and you have linked your JavaScript sheet over here. Okay, and over here you have to just come underneath the CSS one. Okay, means you have to just come under the link tag over here, and now in the underneath that you have to just write all the codes over here. Okay, so here I have to write the codes. Okay, so first of all you have to write over here the code which is called div dot container. Okay, because we have to just link that over here. Okay, so I will just write like that, and now here I will write h1 and I will write tip calculator. So I will write tip calculator. Okay, so there I have written tip calculator, and I will just come underneath that, and over here I will just write. Okay, so I will just write over here. Okay, so just you have to write, and now just underneath that you have to write the things. Okay, so just come over here and write how much your bill is. Okay, so it is coming randomly over here. Okay, so it can be shown another thing. I am just writing this one. Okay, so I will just copy this. Okay, and over here you have to write div. Okay, which is our class. So I will just give it the class of bill. Okay, so over here I will just copy this h2 from here, and I will just paste that over here. Okay, and I will just erase this one h2 from here, okay, over here, erase that. And now when you have done that, just you have to copy these things from here, and here you have to just paste that, okay. And over here you have to just change it to bill 1, okay. So I will just write bill 1, so spelling should be correct, bill 1, then bill 2, and write 3, and then you have to just write the figures over here, okay. So I will just write 6 over here, okay. And now when you have done that, just you have to write over here, okay. So just write how many people are sharing with this bill, okay. So I will write, and when you have done that, just you have to write over here also, okay. So I will just come underneath, and now here I will write like dollar sign, okay. And over here I will just define the values, then I will just take the all the values with JavaScript, okay. So I will just write first value which I want, okay. So when you have done that, just come underneath and write 1 over here, which is our first value of people which will be sharing our bill, okay. So now here you have to write discount, okay. So I will write good, okay, discount you have to write good, and then I will write 25%. Then I will just copy this, okay, and I will just paste that underneath, and I will just change it to bad, and I will just change it to 2%, okay. Okay, so now when you have done that, just you have to come and just you have to paste that over here, okay. So just copy this again and just paste that, and now here I will just change it to uh cool, okay. So I will just write over here, and now when you have done that, just you have to write over here, okay. So just write over here 30, okay. So now it should be just coming randomly, I'm just writing like that, and now just you have to erase this thing from here, okay, because I don't want this one. And now when you have done that, just press backspace, so it should be in one line over here. And now that we have done that all, so I will just press Ctrl Z, and I will just come underneath, okay. So I will just erase from here and erase, and now just come underneath that and write the div and write the class. And now I will just define the class of bill 6 over here, and I will write now the logo, okay. So I will write over here I tag for writing logo, and this I will write FA, okay. So write over here FA, and now here you have to write like user, okay. So I will just write the user one, background color blue, okay. So it should be with only with HTML, okay, because we have already linked our font awesome, okay, over here, okay. So I will just write like that, I will copy this and I will paste that, and I will just change it to dollar, okay. So I will write over here dollar, and now when you have done that, save, and now your HTML has been done, okay. So we have done till over here, and now it should be good, okay. So now when you have done that, just you have to go to CSS for style that. So I will just come and I will write first of all dot bill 1, and over here we will write text, okay. So first of all just write over here like this sign, because this one there were many classes, so I will just define all the classes with that, okay, means which are importing classes. So I will just write the class name, then I will define, but which are the like text classes, so I will just define with that, okay. So it should be not any problem, and we don't have to write every class one time, okay. So here I will write like that, and now here I will write display flex, then I will write justify content in center, okay, because I want my all the things should be center, justify content in center, and I will write align items, okay. So it should be also in center, so I will define center, and over here I will write border, which should be white, so I will define one big solid, and I will define white color, and I will just come underneath that, and I will just define, okay. So just you have to small this R, because this R is bigger, okay. So just R, and now here you have to come, okay, and here you have to write over here. So now here I will write margin top, okay. So I will just define the margin top 12 pixel, padding bottom, okay. So padding bottom I want of 3 pixel, okay. So now it is done. Just when you have done that, come and write dot over here, okay, means dot sign, and now here with the help of this dot 1, okay. So over here I will define bill 1, okay. So first of all I will define bill, then I will define text align center, and I will just float it to left, okay, because my all the things were in left. If I just show you, okay, because I will show you in demo, my all the things were in left, so I will define like text align center, then I will define float in left, and over here I will just define like display should be flex over here also, and our font size, okay. So this is really important to define 12 pixel, font weight should be 600, and font color, okay. So you don't have to write font color, you have to only write color. So I will define color should be black. So when you have done that, come underneath, and now here you have to write padding, which should be 12 pixel. So here you have to just write this sign over here, okay, means this semicolon, and I will just write margin, which should be 15 pixel, and I will do one thing, I will copy this and I will just paste that over here, okay, and I will just press enter over here and change it to bill 1. Now it is good, okay. Now your styling has been done, okay, because like I have told you, I have just I have just defined my all the styling which was were in text. So I have defined these all styling in my this tag, which mean like all the things you are defining, and which were the main ones I have just defined with my classes over here. And I will just go to JavaScript sheet, and here I will define JavaScript. So there is also small JavaScript over here, okay, because we have to just use some of the HTML and CSS and then some of the JavaScript over here. So I will write const button, and here you have to write like that, press enter, and now here you have to define const button, and here you have to write document, okay, document dot query selector, and over here you have to write calculator, okay, because our button name was calculate, okay, should be calculate, not calculator. So I will just do like that. I will copy this and I will paste that 2 times, okay. Okay, so spelling should be correct. Now we have just pasted it 2 times. I will just come and I will just change it to like, just come over here and write over here, okay. So I will just change it to body. So write over here body, and over here you have to also write body, okay, because here when we are changing anything, so here we have to also change. And now come underneath that, and here you have to write a tip calculator. So I will write tip calculator, okay. And over here I will just write bill one, okay, only bill, okay, because this was our main class. So I will just define, I will come underneath and I will define function, and in that I will define button dot add event listener. So I will define add event listener. Then underneath that I will define my mean my button, okay. So I will just define calculate, like I've telling you, calculate. And now I will just do one thing, I will just write e tag, and now here I will just write like that and write button dot, and now here you have to write e and just write dot add event listener again, and write over here dot value and write off. Then come underneath, and now here you have to write e, then just you have to write button tag again over here, okay, because we are defining button. So I will just define that function and then function of e, and over here dot math dot random again, okay, math dot random dot math dot floor, okay, and dot length again, okay. So I will define dot length, okay. So when you have done that, come underneath and write function again, because function is really important to write document, okay. So we have just written the incorrect spelling. So document dot I will write over here query selector, and now here I will just write body, because I'm defining these all things in body. Now it is enough, you have just done that. Just save, because like I've telling you, this was just a small JavaScript over here. Now when you have done that, just you have to just come underneath that over here, okay. So just here when you have done that, just you have to go to, okay, so just there is a mistake, so I will just take it correct. Now save that, and now when you have done that, just you have to go to Google Chrome, and now here you can see, now it has been made it. Here you can see we have just having our logo, which I have just changed it to dollar, and then second one was user one, okay. Here you can see, and all the things which we have just written, and this is coming with JavaScript with the help of, it was just a small JavaScript. And now here you can see, if I just press here, you can see now it is just going forward and less than. And now if I show you, just you have to just doing like that, just you have to press that till it is just going not to 1, okay. Here it is just gone, and here you have to, if you just press this, here you can see it is going back, but I want it to forward. So I will just change it to 7, and I will just choose the service which I want. So here I will just choose the 10%, and I will just press that calculate. And now just you have to wait, and over here you can see now it is having my tip amount, total amount, and each person obvious, means each person just get over here 0.19, okay. Over here you can see how it is easy to do, and it is just automatically going forward. Over here it is automatically just disappeared, okay. So I hope you understand this, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you have enjoyed my previous project of JavaScript, okay. So just you have to practice these all projects we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of JavaScript also, like you are of HTML and CSS and Python. So just tip calculator is really easy to do. I hope you understand that. So now just I will meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.